Con for Hollywood Studios here, and we are here with our second Wonder Woman construction update. As you guys can see, the ride is really near completion. We were talking to one of the security guards. Supposedly they're just waiting for a shipment from Texas, which is a part for the ride. Then they can begin testing, and it should be open soon. And as you guys can see, most of the ride is completely up, and you can see the entrance is starting to take shape over there, and the whole ride is up. And you can see they have the fence ready. All the cars are on there. So I have hopes that this ride will open pretty soon. So let's go take another look at it from a different angle. Alright guys, so here we are from a different angle, right over here in the movie town area. And let's see what we can see over here. So it's looking like it's very, very close to completion. It's looking really, really good.
You want to get up there? You want to see it now?
And let's go take a look at the entrance.
The seats look comfortable.
So far, there's not much going on with the entrance. There's supposed to be a Wonder Woman statue and the sign right here, but otherwise, not much with the entrance. But I have hope, again, like I said, this ride will likely be open very soon, and it looks great. I mean, it's going to be massive by the time it's open and swinging over both the Stun Arena over here and the entirety of Metropolis. So overall, construction's going very well, it appears. Over here we also have a new sort of surrounding area of a tree, which is very nice, provides some seating for the guests. And here's another view of Wonder Woman from a distance. As we can see over here, there is more going on. I think the ride operating booth or the maintenance building is right there for the ride. And yeah. In addition to this, I've also just noticed deconstruction going on over here, or construction. It looks more like deconstruction, but there's definitely something going on over here. There used to be some decoration buildings over here, but it looks like they're attempting to take them down from the looks of it. So here we have over the fence. Looks like they're definitely almost completely done taking it down, if they are taking it down. Overall, yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm not sure what's going to go on over here, and it'll be very interesting to see. Here's another angle. So yeah, this is definitely coming down. It does look like a terror trail. This whole building right here is, well, this section of the building right here, empty, and that looks like it's been torn down. And that will conclude this construction update of Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth, in addition to this little development over here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, guys.